Hello, my lovelies. Welcome to Amanda's Crafty Corner. I am Amanda, and this is my Crafty Corner. Well, I finally got my package from CooDeals, and I am using different angles for my camera. So I hope this is okay. I will probably move it up and down, left and right, just so you can see the full picture now that I don't have to have the stand on my desk. It is actually attached to a new one. But, anyways, let's get to this unboxing. So, CooDeals is a website that I absolutely love and adore for their diamond paintings. They do anything and everything diamond painting related. You also get to pick what size you want if you prefer 30 by 40s. Um, or as large as they can go. You can also choose between round and square. So let's get this open. I'm just going to attempt to not show you my address because nobody needs to see that. One thing I like about CooDeals is they put a fragile on it so that nobody damages it while it is in transit. So I have only two. Just making sure there's nothing else in here. That's a 40 by 40. This one is okay, so I'm going to go from smallest to largest. There are two, and you get a little gift. So I'm just going to bring this up just a tad. Try not to show you too much of me. So what's really nice with their gifts is that they give you some release paper. And then they also give you the DMC codes. So DMC starts at 150. I know it's right in here. So it starts from 150 all the way up to 5291, which is interesting since I've only seen it go up to 5200. I'm assuming it's because of DABs. But yeah, they have the alphabet here, A to Z, 1 to 87, just in case you want to label your wow, if I could talk, your bags or whatever you're using when you're diamond painting. I swear I can talk. So I'm just going to put these off to the side, just over here. I don't keep elastic, so into the garbage that goes. And yeah, I just have two, and I will link them in the description box below. So I believe mine are both round. This one is known as a 40 by 30. And I have my little tool here this time, so I can actually do this since I have room on my table without having my camera in the way. But yeah, it's a witch with a cauldron. Again, it's for my Halloween 2023. I know I haven't finished the one yet, but I will. And then we will work on the other witch together. Yes, it is a round. No ABs, just a regular old painting. There we go. This is 23 colors. It uses both numbers and letters. I will show you. No, that didn't help. Like I said, I can lower and higher and move it all around. So all the pretty colors. Try to make sure it stays in focus. So it's a lot of purples, oranges, greens. The first color is 310, which is basically the witch, and a little bit of background. Here we go. And standard with CooDeals is that they give you a bunch of eggs, a pen, tweezers, a huge thing of wax, and the white trays, which I absolutely love. What I also like about CooDeals, and I'm not going to go through all the colors, but they're individually wrapped. It's got the DMC code, the number, and the product number on top. So if you store your diamond paintings without the diamonds, at least you'll know which one. And then what I really like as well is they give you this printed sheet with the numbers 1 to 23, the DMC code, the quantity that you'll be using, and the size of the bags. So I really like that. I like how they're individually wrapped because I always keep them. I keep any extra drills I have because I've had paintings where I've run out of drills and I just take them from my stash. So I'm just going to grab the next one. Put that beside me here. Like I said, there's only two. This one is, I believe, a square. I go back and forth between round and square. Just depends on the image. This one is a witch surrounded by pumpkins. And this one has 27 colors. So again, I can just bring you up just a tad and I can flip it so you can actually see it. I'm going to do it like this. I didn't check the stickiness, but with CooDeals, I know it's nice and sticky. Never ever had a problem with their diamond paintings, at least not that I'm aware of, because I'm working on one right now, which is that mouse witch that I do on my lives. So let's just make sure this is nice. So yeah, there's a few pumpkins. It's a witch. I know Diamond Cajun is also doing a Cauldrons and Witches in November, so I can do it for both. I've got lots now. And yeah, it's got 27 colors. There's some oranges, some reds. I think the pumpkins, oh, the pumpkins are 817. Sorry, I felt wrinkles, so I'm just going to fix it. Or else it's gonna bug me. I did that wrong. If you hear banging, that is my son upstairs. I got my brother to watch him while I record this for you. So yeah, it's just a short little unboxing today. I know I don't take very long with my unboxings, but I just want to fix this. There we go. But yeah, I thought this was cute. So it uses both numbers and letters. Plastic's still crinkled, but that's okay. I'll fix it when it comes time to actually doing the painting. It is a square. Again, you get a big thing of, here, I'll lower this so it's easier. You get a big thing of wax, your nice white tray, tweezers, which I'm going to have a lot of now, but I also use these tweezers, I won't lie, for my cross stitch to help me pull out the individual threads. You get some nice baggies. So really nice for a toolkit. And then here are the square drills. And again, what I like, they give you this paper with the code and everything on it. Here, I can show you the thumbnail for the image. I know it's kind of hard to see. But yeah, it's just a little witch. I thought it was cute. It's also nice and it's a little bit bigger, being a 40 by 40 instead of the 30 by 40s. Um, that'll probably be the last 30 by 40 that I order in a long time, just because I do like the bigger sizes. And I just find that you can get more details with them. This one fell out, but it's a number 5. It's 601. Again, this is not an AB one. The AB ones that I have are from a different website. I haven't ordered ABs from CooDeals just yet, but I have enough projects to work on right now, so I'm not gonna worry too much. But I hope everybody is going to have a wonderful Thursday. I will see everybody tonight. I will be going live once again at 9:30 p.m. EST, probably for another roughly around 2 hour long video. See if we can get more of the mouse switch done. I want to thank everybody so much for sticking with me through this wonderful crafting journey. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It is free. You don't have to pay anything. Just hit that little subscribe button. Please hit like. Please comment on which diamond painting you liked, whether it's this lovely witch with pumpkins or this lovely, again, a witch with pumpkins, but she's older. She's kind of an old hag, but I love it. Over a cauldron. As you can tell, I love Halloween designs. And believe me, once winter time comes, I've got a lot of nice 30 by 40 winter designs. And I will see you all later. Again, have a wonderful day. Bye.